Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is give you guys another midnight update. So I believe there is 5 days left in the Scavenger Phase 2. So if you guys get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Guys, 5 days. So if we take a look here, and again, guys, comment down below in all of these videos, how many night tokens have you accumulated? So I'm going to be sharing with you how many night tokens that I have. Hopefully it's not in the title or description. I got to fill in that curiosity gap, right? But guys, 5 days left. Don't miss your chance to participate before Scavenger Mine ends. So the cool thing about this is that you have basically a free opportunity to get yourself some tokens in a all new blockchain, right? So a privacy focused chain, partner chain to Cardano. They have tons of partners with other brands. I've already done videos on it. So if you guys do want to learn more about Night, hit up the channel, subscribe, and watch these step-by-step tutorials. I'm also working right now on Rise videos. Okay, so this channel is really your hub for online education when it comes to crypto. Okay, so if you are just getting started, we have things for you. We have so many different tools as well. So guys, use the link tree. Actually, if I hit refresh here, so how do we do that on this? Command R or Option R. So you guys should see a new link here for Rise migration. So this is available. I'm going to be posting how many videos on this? Yeah, probably 3 videos. I'm going to do a video on each. So 3 videos just on the Copy migration, as well as the staking and yield farming. So we're going to have other videos as well. And of course, I mean, the top links is to set up a lease, Scavenger Mine. This will take you to what we're talking about in this video right now. So guys, this is looking cool. So let's dive into how many tokens has the Moose earned so far. So I'm just going to refresh as long as it's not solving. So 4 minutes left. Maybe I won't mess that up. But anyways, here we've got, let's say 900 tokens. And then I've already done this ahead of time. I got things organized. We got 244. And then we have 213, 220, 208. And that brings us to the end of kind of what we're doing. I am also doing the Scavenger Mine with a old laptop. So I have 2 wallets set up on that. And I have roughly, I think, 800 plus the other wallet. So probably, let's just say 800. So we're around 2,500 night in the Scavenger Phase 2. So if I include what I got in Phase 1, I am now above, I think, 10.5. So around 11,000 night. I'll have around 11,000 night pretty easily, just in the first 2 phases. So the 3rd phase, you know, that's going to be coming up soon as well. But really, this is your last chance to get in on some night. If you really want to, you know, get some night, you got 5 days left. What's the difficulty at? I noticed it was easy, so it's still easy. I'm not sure if it fluctuates. I haven't paid too much attention to it. But it looks like we're doing good. But guys, how many night are you getting? Is it worth your time? Has this been a good experience, bad experience? Do you have more night than the Moose? If you do, we're in trouble, dude. Like, dude, if you have more night than the Moose and I taught you how to do this, that's messed up, right? That's like, son, I taught you how to do everything in life, and now you're doing it all better than me. Like, you're making me look like a scrub. Like, that ain't good. That's not fair. It's not fair, right? You can't outdo your master, right? It doesn't make sense. But anyways, honestly, if you guys do have a lot of night, I'm proud of you, whatever. A little bit jealous and irritated. Dude, this light's flickering, man. It's like, man, making the Moose like act up here, dude. But yeah, that's what's going on. What else? I'm trying to be more personal on the channel and like sharing different things. So here is a really cool, oh, I almost dropped it. A really cool piece of silver I got. So this is a brand new 2025 British Britannia. Okay, so this is a 1 ounce silver. I've been collecting silver, since I was a little kid, really. A little, not as much silver, but more sports cards. So I've been doing like tons of sports cards. I have like old currency. This isn't worth anything. Obviously, currency is like toilet paper now. But I have that. And then I also have a brand new maple leaf that came in the mail. So I'm trying because crypto is doing so bad. I'm like, man, I gotta go to precious metals. That's how bad crypto is. Moose is buying precious metals. He's like, I'm out of crypto. But this one has Charles III on there. Canada, say whatever you want, but really nice metal. And silver has a very interesting sound to it. Guys are probably like, man, the Moose has lost it. I have lost it. I've lost it a long time ago. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for participating in this episode. I just want to keep pumping out content. Even if I feel like I'm not ready, if I'm like, dude, Moose's makeup isn't great. I don't wear makeup. I probably should, though. Like, honestly, it'd probably help. I'm going to be that old guy that's like got Botox and he's like trying to keep up with looking good just for a YouTube channel. You guys can be like, Moose, like, this is terrible. But guys, comment down below. Let me know. Do you guys have more night than the Moose? Do you guys have better coffee than the Moose? You don't, because the Moose went to Timmy's. I got free coffee for the week because I've been doing that Timmy's app. So you guys probably know what I'm talking about if you're from Canada. But yeah, man, I do those Timmy's picks, dude. I'm on fire. Like, I'm not like I knew Connor McJesus before he became Connor McJesus, right? Like I knew about Matthews before he even came out. And like I remember him when he was a little kid, like he was 13 years old. I'm like, this guy's gonna be in the chill. So, anyways, guys, let me know how's your night going. Like not your night, but how are your night tokens going? Cheers.